Hi friends, welcome to Riha Craft and Creative. Today I decided to show you beautiful flower with stockinets. Let's see what we will need. Stockinets. I took 4 colors of stockinets: black, red, pink, white and green. Also paper thread and green fabric color, brush, tape, iron wire, scissor and thread. First take the stockinets, remove the corners, and try to open it one side. Take an iron wire, make a shape you wish, any shape, any size. Then take a stockinets, cross it, iron wire with stockinette. Take a thread, try to make it tight, close it. Then remove other stockinets. This final look. Make the same 5 pairs. I make the each color 5 pairs. Now we have to take a paper thread, cut small pieces. Each flower 3 pieces. We need each flower 3 pieces. Take a one color, 5 pairs. And take a 3-piece paper thread, put it in center, and try with thread. Try to tie it tightly. Now take a paper thread, try to close with paper thread. You can use also gum tape. If you didn't find the gum tape, you can use the paper tape. take a green color fabric paint. Try to close the paper tape with green color. Be careful. Our Stockings flowers are ready now. Thank you for watching. See you soon with my new craft. Stay safe, stay home.